Yung stick overnight, wala rin.
Flor made the cantaloupe juice. Thank you, Flor.
You're welcome.
She is going to a wedding. Woohoo! Lumpia, barbecue. Look at that. With some fried rice, pancit. And Flor is cooking barbecue. And Tony, thank you guys for coming.
You got the barbecue already, huh? 2 bones and a barbecue.
Wow. Alright guys, we are here. It's Saturday, July 19th, and it's Rae Rae's 5th birthday. So we're celebrating her birthday today, guys. What do you think, Rae Rae? Get it, Nala!